Hello, my cherubs, my angels, that's you. And this is your Aunt Gina, and I want you to memorize something. This is Pete the Parrot, and he repeats things, so I would like you to repeat something. He has it memorized. Maybe you can have it memorized, and it would mean so much to me. Before you eat any food, before you have your meal, before you put food in your mouth for your mealtime, I'd like you to acknowledge our Holy Father in heaven. It was by His grace that we have life, that we have beautiful things, and that we have food to eat. So can you memorize this with me? It's what I say before I eat anything, even before I have a snack. I say, by thy holy hand are we fed. It shows appreciation, and I'd like you to appreciate our Father in heaven. He loves you, He loves you, and He loves me. He is there for us. Around us are His angels. They're all around us. Get to know your Father in heaven. He is there. So, can we memorize that together? Can we say it together? By thy holy hand are we fed. That would really make me so happy. This is your Aunt Gina. I'd love to hear from you. And this is Pete the Parrot saying, let's be mindful of our Father in heaven. And have a great day.